Hi guys, welcome to Holly Cottage in Welton. Just a quick demonstration how to use the hot tub. So here we have the hot tub. Just a quick reminder guys, please read the house hot tub rules before you get in the hot tub. So when you're entering the hot tub, obviously we have these steps here. They could be wet from time to time, so just be careful. They could be slippery. How to use, easiest way to is when entering the hot tub is take the front edge of the hot tub, flip it over till it's in half like that. Then you will see the operation buttons down here. I'll show you this first before we show you how to get the hot tub cover off. So usually the hot tub is set on economy, as we see here. To set the bubbles going off and the pump, we just simply press this button here and you will hear the pump kicking in. Probably go then for a second press and you'll hear it definitely kicking in. Sometimes we have a sleep mode which just puts a gentle bubble in, and then we need a little bit of a second press for all the pressure. So we have 3 lots of jets. We have side jets, the middle jet and the jet at the back. Those jets are controlled by these buttons here, which turn on left to right. So you will just see there, I have just turned off the side bubbles and pressure. I can then turn on the middle pump, and this turns this one on down here. And then I can turn on the back pump. Probably not the easiest to see at the moment, but that's back there at the back of the hot tub. To manage the pressure, we'll just put the side pump back on for the moment. We have a pressure setting here, which we can either have soft or powerful, or if we go completely the other way, it virtually turns it off. So nearly off, soft, I'll come in on a minute. There we go, and then high pressure. Simple as that. So that's how all the buttons work. We have a light setting here, which is there's a small light down here. I'm not sure if you're going to see it during the daylight. That turns the on-off light off. Then we have the temperature buttons up and down. At the moment it's set at 38, which can be perfect depending on the weather. You can put it up to about 40 or go down low if you like. It does take quite a while for the temperature to change because of the amount of water it's got to heat up, and particularly when you've got the lid off. It can take, when you're trying to increase the heat, it can take about an hour per degree. Okay, so to take the cover off, you've seen me flip it over, then easily just step in to the hot tub. If you take the front edge of the cover itself, grab the front edge, pull it and tip it over to the back of the hot tub, and it's as simple as that. You can, if you wish, just move it and prop it up against the wall. However, with one hand that's quite difficult for me, so we're just going to go for leaving it there for the moment. So any questions, please ask. Please don't forget to read the hot tub instructions in the rule book, and enjoy your stay. Thanks very much.